Are you still using Facebook to build your community? And are you looking for a way that you can continue to schedule posts on the go? And you're frustrated because you can't use your third party apps to schedule posts directly into groups anymore? Well, I'm going to show you how I use CinchShare to schedule posts directly into my Facebook group on the run using my phone. If your phone's not your thing, don't worry because I've already covered how to use the CinchShare post notifications as well as the Chrome browser on your desktop to schedule posts using CinchShare. I'll be sure to link those videos at the end. But in this video here, I'm actually going to show you how I use the CinchShare app on my phone to directly schedule my content into my group so that I can do it on the go and I don't have to miss a beat. So come on, join me and let's go take a look. All right. So here we are on my phone. Okay. So I'm going to open up the group that I want to schedule in. I'm going to tap like if I'm getting ready to write. Then I'm going to open up my keyboards. Now, keep in mind, I'm using an Apple. If you're using an Android or another Google device, it might look different for you. But on an iPhone, I have the little world at the bottom and I could select the CinchShare keyboard. Then I'm going to go into my CinchShare app and I'm going to go into my folders and then I'm going to simply look for my folder that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Once I have that, I'm going to open it up. I like to keep everything nice, neat, and organized inside my CinchShare app so that when I'm doing events or tutorials like this, it's easy for me to follow. Plus, if I ever had to go back again and use this maybe 6 months down the road, I have everything there nice, neat, and organized, and I don't have to try and guess on what I need to post when and so forth. So let's go to post number 1. I'm simply going to click on copy and I'm going to paste here. I'm going to hit done. And then you'll see that it's here ready to go. And then I have the option down here to hit schedule. We're going to do the 31st and we're going to keep doing the 10 a.m. So we'll save that and then we're going to hit schedule. So the next one, do the same thing, click there. We're going to go into our CinchShare folder. We're going to go into post number 2. We're going to paste that. And we're going to hit done. And we're going to hit schedule the 31st. And we're going to do, this one's going to be 10:05 a.m. I'm going to schedule that. And we'll do the same thing again for our third one. And I love that the CinchShare will stay exactly where you were, so you don't have to keep searching for everything. You just have to keep going in here. And then we're going to do that. And we're ready to go. So this is scheduled on the 31st. We'll do this one at 10:10. Save, schedule. So you could see how you could do this while you're sitting in an office, waiting for an appointment, having a coffee or something simple. It's something so easy that you can do it from anywhere. So go post number 4, paste, done, schedule, 31st, the 15th. And then our final one, we're going to go back into CinchShare. We're going to look for post number 5. Copy that. We're going to paste and we're going to be done. Schedule and 10:20. Now this could be done super easily on the go while you're watching TV, anywhere you want. Everything's at your fingertips, and now it's all ready to go and scheduled directly inside your Facebook group so that it's easy for you to manage your business on the run. If you're looking for more information on how to schedule possibly through your desktop browser or directly in the CinchShare app using the push notifications, be sure to watch the videos on the screen. They'll walk you through that as well. And if you find the information that I'm sharing useful, or if you want to learn more from me as I start to post more information about using tech in your business without the overwhelm, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.